We are going to do the practical problems of T.S. Grewal book. Okay, admission of partnership, class 12 CBSE and ISC भी कर सकते हैं. Now calculation of what? New profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. We know what is new profit sharing ratio and we know what is sacrificing ratio. Now what is new profit sharing ratio is when two partners are there. Some partner is coming. Admission में new profit sharing ratio क्या बनेगा? रिटायरमेंट में भी है समझो. ऑलरेडी देर आर फ्यू पार्टनर्स. एक नया पार्टनर आने की वजह से रेशियो कैसे चेंज हो जाएगा? दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. एंड हाउ मच द पीपल हैव सैक्रिफाइस्ड और हाउ मच द पीपल हैव गेन्ड, दैट यू आर गोइंग टू कैलकुलेट इन द फॉर्म ऑफ व्हाट? सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो एंड गेन्ड रेशियो, गेनिंग रेशियो. अब देखो फर्स्ट वन, गिरिजा, यतिन, जुबिन आर पार्टनर्स शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट्स एंड लॉसेस इन द रेशियो व्हाट? 5:3:2. They admitted Suresh for a partnership for him for 1/5 share. Find the new profit sharing ratio. This is first one basically. What is the old ratio? Now let us take, this is one watermelon. Okay. Now this should be shared among whom? A, B, C, D. Right. Now D is admitted for how much share? 1/5. So बचे कितने parts रहेंगे? Totally 5 parts समझ लो. 1 part belongs to this fellow. So how many parts are there? 4/5. This 4/5 should be shared among whom? A, B, C. In what ratio? 5:3:2. So A is equal to 5/10 into 4/5, which is 20/50. B is equal to 3/10 into 4/5, which is 12/50. Next C का कितना है? 2/10 into 4/5, 8/50. D का शेयर कितना है? 1/5, which is into 10/10. सर ऐसा 10/10 क्यों कर रहे हैं यहाँ D को? Now see, if you see the denominator कितना है? A का 50, B का कितना है? 50, C का कितना है? 50, but D's denominator is what? 5. So 50 convert करना बोले तो क्या करना? 10/10. So 10/50. So what is the ratio? 20:12:8:10, which is 2 10s are, 2 6s are, 2 4s are, 2 5s are. So 10:6:4:5. This is what ratio? New ratio, new profit sharing ratio. Now इसको क्या लिखेंगे सर? ऐसा वाटरमेलन तो नहीं लिख सकते ना. Now total part is equal to nothing but 1, right? Okay. 1 में से D share निकालने के बाद remaining part will be there. Remaining part is equal to 1 minus D share. Clear? Then you will get what? 1 minus 1/5, which is 4/5. वही 4/5 को आप ABC में डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. सिंपल. द न्यू वाटरमेलन टोटल 1 समझ लो. दैट विल बी शेयर्ड अमॉन्ग A, B, C, D, right? After D's admission, D is going to get 1/5 share. So how many parts are left? 4/5. 4/5 you will distribute. Now this is the basic question where how A, B, C had sacrificed is not given. So we are assuming that according to the old ratio they have sacrificed. Clear? Did not understand? Got it? Clear? Note down. सीमा, सेकंड क्वेश्चन देखो. इसमें सेकंड वाला क्या है क्वेश्चन? नाउ A and B are partners sharing profits and losses in the ratio what? 7:5. They agree to admit C for their manager into partnership who is to get 1/6 share in the profits. Okay, so let us understand. अब देखो ये watermelon है, that will be shared among whom? A, B, C. Now C is going to get how much? 1/6. So remaining कितना रहता? 5/6. This is one rule. Okay. बट यहाँ क्वेश्चन में क्या दिए, he takes this share as 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. अब हमें मालूम है कि the piece of watermelon what he got no, like 1/6 देखो, 1/6 कैसे आया उसको, 1/24 from A and 1/8 from B. Earlier ratio was what, 7:5. 7:5 A is to B का old ratio था, so old ratio is equal to 7:5. Clear? Now new partner is admitted for what, 1/6. So 1 minus 1/6 will be 5/6, but वो नहीं करने का जरूरत है. Now this is totally easy, simple. Now old ratio से new ratio find करना. Now how much watermelon I used to eat earlier, how much I have sacrificed, निकाल दो, new ratio आ जाता, right? Clear? Earlier I used to eat at what, 7/12 minus, अब कितना sacrifice कर दिया मैं, 1/24. करना आता है LCM 12 and 24 का 24. Make it common means what, into 2 into 2. ये कितना होता है, 14 minus 1 which is 13/24. B का कितना है, 5/12 minus what, 1/8. इसको भी सेम 24 कर दो so that it will be uniform. Sorry sir. Into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. 10 minus 3 divided by what, 24. 7/24. Now C got how much, 1/6. इसको भी 24 करना बोले तो क्या करना, 4 and 4. What is the ratio, 13:7:4. Now see, first sum is not directly first sum. First sum में क्या करे, it is like first case where how much sacrificing part is not given. We are assuming that how much they were having no, उसी ratio में sacrifice कर दिए बोल के we did the first sum in that way. Now second sum we are going to do in this way. Clear? How much is sacrificed we know. Clear? So earlier I used to eat how much, 7/12. Now 1/24 I sacrificed, directly I can remove. Let us continue with the third question. Now if you see the third question, no, what is given, A, B, C were partners in a firm sharing the ratio 3:2:1. They admitted D as a new partner for how much share, 1/8 share of profit. He acquired 1/6 from B, 1/6 from C. अब देखो, it's clear, A कुछ भी नहीं दिया, 1/16, sorry, 1/16 from B and 1/16 from C. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of A, B, C and देखो, say wait, let me write this. A, B, C are what, A is to B is to C is equal to 3:2:1. Now D was admitted for how much share, 1/8. But clearly it is given that only B and C has sacrificed what, और C कितना sacrifice करा, 1/16. So A's ratio is 3/6. B's share is 2/6 minus 1/16. अब देखो 16 and 6 का LCM क्या रहता, कर लो साइड में, 6, 16, 2 3s 2 8s 3 1s 8 ही रहता अभी, 8 3s 24, 2s 48. तो 48 बनाना बोले तो into 8 into 8 into 3 into 3 which is 16 minus 3 divided by 48 which is 13/48. D का रेशियो क्या रहता, C का 1/6 minus सेम 1/16, so into 3 into 3, यहाँ क्या 8. Now 8 minus 3 divided by 48 which is 5/48. And D's ratio is what, D was admitted for what, 1/8 share, no, 1/8. अब देखो 8 को क्या 48 बनाना, so क्या करना, into 6 into 6, so 6/48. ये into 6 है, so into 8 into 8, 24/48. So what is the ratio, 24:13:5:6. Got it? See fourth one, what is the question? Bharti and Asta were partners sharing the profits in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Dinkar as a partner for what, 1/5 share in the future profits of the firm which he got equally from Bharti and Asta. Calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Bharti, Asta and Dinkar. इस बार क्वेश्चन में एक कंडीशन बोल रहा है, So let us interpret that question again. Now old ratio is what? Bharti and Asta. 3:2. Any doubts? They admitted Dinkar as a partner, D aa gaya as a partner. For how much share? 1/5 share. Any doubts? Now next, what is given in the future profits? The firm which he got equally from whom? Bharti and Asta. Now this fellow got 1/5, that we know. How did he get? Equally. इक्वली बोले तो क्या होता? 1:1. वैसा नहीं होता. अब 1/5 को आधा करना चाहिए. सो 1/5/2, 1/5/2. सिंपल. 10 चॉकलेट्स ही गॉट. 10 चॉकलेट्स आया इक्वली बोले तो क्या करेंगे हम? 10/2, 10/2. 5 चॉकलेट्स ही गॉट. तो सिंपली ही गॉट हाउ मच शेयर फ्रॉम हिम? 1/10. इसमें कितना? 1/10. तो सिंपली क्या करना? 3/10, 3/10, सॉरी 3/5, 3/5 होता. 3/5 माइनस 1/10. तो इंटू 2. क्यों कर रहे सर वैसा? एलसीएम करो ना. 10, 3 2 जा 6, 6 माइनस 1 इज 5/10. नेक्स्ट आस्था का क्या है? 2/5 माइनस 1/10 इंटू 2 विच इज 4 माइनस 1 डिवाइड बाई 10, 3/10. नेक्स्ट डी का क्या है? शी गॉट ऑलरेडी 1/5. वी नो नॉट एन इश्यू. सिर्फ एलसीएम कर दो. इंटू 2 2/10. So what is the ratio? 5:3:2. Now till now how many cases we have done with respect to ratios? एक रहता directly first sum में nothing is given. How much is the sacrificing part? Directly you are going to calculate what? The remaining part and distribute in old ratio. That is first method. And second में क्या? कितना sacrifice करे वो दे दिए. So you directly subtract that from old ratio. That's it. Seema, fifth one. What is the question? Mohan and Mahesh are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. So old ratio is 3:2. Nusrat is admitted as a partner for what? 1/4 share in profit. One by 4. Now Nusrat takes his share from Mohan and Mahesh in the ratio 2:1. अब देखो Nusrat got 1/4 share in what ratio? 2:1. So what you need to do? 1/4 into 2/3. 1/4 into 1/3. When you do like this, no, you will get what? 2/12, and we will get what? 1/12. This is nothing but what part he got from whom. So simply same like last sum, 3/5 minus 2/12, that is for with A, and B is what? 2/5 minus 1/12, and Nusrat it is already given as what? 1/4. So 3/5 minus this is what? 36 minus 10 divided by what? 60. Next 24 minus 5 divided by what? 60. Next into 15 divided by 15. 15 divided by 60, which is 36 minus 10 is 26 divided by 60. 24 minus 5 is 19 divided by 60. So what is the ratio? 26:19:15. Any doubts? Got it? Did not understand? Clear, ma? Now this is third case where a new partner is admitted for so and so share and he got it in a particular ratio that is given. Clear? 26:19:15. Clear? Any doubts? सुना क्यों नहीं? करना मैं बताता हूँ. Sixth question. Now see, SBJ were partners in a firm. He was admitted for partnership for 1/5 share of profits. Calculate the sacrificing ratio of SBJ. Now what is the sacrificing ratio formula? Old ratio minus new ratio. Old ratio is given? No. When old ratio is not given, what you will assume as old ratio? Equal. So 3 partner है 1:1:1. If nothing is given, what is sacrificing ratio? Old ratio is only sacrificing. So 1:1:1. That's it. Clear? Got it? समझ में आया नहीं है? Old ratio is not given. So 1:1:1 is the old ratio. Clear? Next देखो. P and Q were partners in the ratio 5:. R was admitted for how much? 1/4 share, which he took 75% from P and remaining from Q. 75% इससे आया, 25% इससे आया. Now सीमा, this is not important. अभी आपको 75% 25% फ्रैक्शंस में क्या रहते वो? हाँ, 75/100, 25/100. If you remove this percentage, no, it will be 75/100 and this will be what? 25/100. 1s are 4s are, and ये 3 4. So 1/4 he got in what ratio? 3/4 and 1/4. वैसा नहीं रहता. 3/4 parts and 1/4 parts. So 1/4 into 3/4 is how much? 3/16. 1/4 into 1/4 is how much? 1/16. So he got 3/16 from P and 1/16 from Q. ये आने के बाद अभी क्या करना? 5/8 minus 3/16. So into 2 into 2. So 10 minus 3/16, which is 7/16. Next one is what? 3/8 minus 1/16. So into 2 into 2. 6 minus 1 divided by 16, which is 5/16. And last वाला कितना है? 1/4. So just multiply with 4 and 4. 4/16. So 7:5:4. That is P is to Q is to R. Any doubts? Clear? Understood? Did not understand? 75% and 25%, you can even do what? 3:1 ratio. Clear? So 3:1 only, no? 25 3s are 75, 25 1s are 25. इसको काट के 3:1 ratio also you can write. Same to same. Got it? Any doubts? Note down. See the next question. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन देखो, 8th वाला क्या है? Kabir and Farid are partners in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio. Kabir surrenders 2/10 from his share and Farid surrenders 1/10 from his share. Perfect, not an issue. डायरेक्टली कर सकते हैं ये क्वेश्चन. अब देखो, now what is given? Kabir and Farid, and who is the new partner? Jyoti. So Jyoti got how much? She got 2/10 from Kabir and 1/10 from Farid. So Kabir का शेयर कितना है? 7/10 minus 2/10, which is 5/10. And यहाँ क्या है? 3/10 minus 1/10, which is 2/10. Now 2/10 plus 1/10, what he got? Jyoti got this much only, no? 2/10 from so and so, 1/10. So 3/10. So what is the ratio? 5:2:3. Now whenever from is mentioned, you are going to subtract. Clear? Directly minus कर दो. From watermelon से कितना दे दिए? From means. Clear? अर्लियर वी यूज टू हैव व्हाट 7 and 3 वाटरमेलन, समझ लो 10 वाटरमेलन्स, उसमें से कितना 2 दे दिया एंड 1 दे दिया, 7 में 2 गए तो कितना रहता 5 एंड 3 में 1 चले गया तो कितना रहता 2, 2 out of 10. So total he got how much? 2 from one person and 1 from another. So 2 plus 1 is going to be how much? 3. Any doubts? Huh? Okay, simple. अब देखो, now Seema, K is to F. They are sharing how many watermelons? 7 watermelons and 3 watermelons. Perfect. So let us assume they are having what? 10 watermelons. Clear? Any doubts? Now Jyoti got how much? 2 from one person and 1 from other person. Now 7 में से 2 निकाल दिया तो कितना रहता 5, 3 में से 1 निकाल दिया तो कितना रहता 2, उसको कितना मिला 2 and 1, दोनों ऐड कर दो 3. Got it? So what is the ratio, ma? Clear? Got it? नाइन्थ वाला देखो, बहुत सारे केसेस है, इट विल बी अ रिविजन अगेन. सीमा, फाइंड द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो इन दिस फॉलोइंग केसेस. एक एक अभी फास्ट कर लेना, इतना टाइम नहीं है, ओनली फॉर रेशियो कैलकुलेशंस. नाउ आर एंड टी आर पार्टनर्स इन ए फर्म शेयरिंग प्रॉफिट्स इन द रेशियो 3:2. ओल्ड रेशियो फॉर आर एंड टी इज व्हाट 3:2. नाउ आर सरेंडर्स हाउ मच 1/4. ये लेटर पर कितना केयरफुल रहना बोले तो उतना केयरफुल रहना. ऑफ मीन्स व्हाट, बॉडमास में ऑफ क्या रहता इनटू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ऑफ मीन्स व्हाट मल्टीप्लिकेशन. फ्रॉम मीन्स व्हाट सब्ट्रैक्शन. वो बहुत केयरफुल रहना. ऑफ मीन्स व्हाट, दिस इज मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल. 1/5 ऑफ हिज शेयर, ये भी क्या मल्टीप्लिकेशन सिंबल. आर सरेंडर्स 1/4 ऑफ हिज शेयर एंड टी सरेंडर्स 1/5 ऑफ हिज शेयर. R surrenders 1/4 of his share and T surrenders 1/5 of his share. So R's sacrificing part क्या है देखेंगे. R कितना sacrifice करा, R के पास पहले कितना था 3/5 and off बोले तो क्या करना multiplication. How much did he sacrifice? So 3/20. Any doubts? 3 into 1 3, 5 into 4 20. So same way T का sacrifice देखेंगे कितना है 2/5 and that fellow sacrificed how much? So ये क्या हो जाता 2/25. So we are able to calculate what, how much is the sacrificing part. So R के पास कितना है 3/5, उसमें से कितना दे दिया वो, तो 20 करना बोले तो इसको क्या करेंगे 4 and 4. So 12 minus 3 divided by what 20. So 9/20. और T का क्या है 2/5 minus 2/25. तो ये क्या करना into 5 into 5. So 10 minus 2 divided by 25 which is 8/25. And R they sacrifice to whom? S. S को कितना मिला, he got 3/20 from one person and 2/25 from another person. अब 20 and 25 का LCM क्या होता 100. So into 5 into 5 into 4 into 4 which will give you 15/100 which will give you 8/100 which is 23/100. अब देखो एक एक डिनोमिनेटर एक एक है 20 25 100. सो सबको टिक टिक कर दो. 8 into 4 into 4 into 5 into 5 which is 45/100 which is 32/100 which is 23/100. 45 is to 32 is to, this is NPS, new profit sharing ratio. Any doubts? Clear? Got it? Did not understand? Did not understand? Tenora? बहुत खोल रहा है दिमाग. नेक्स्ट है सेकंड केस देखो 9th में. फर्स्ट वन इज डन. A and B are partners. They admitted C for how much share? 1/4 share. In future, the ratio of A and B would be what? 2:1. आप देखो अभी एक एक वे में दे रहे हैं अभी. Not an issue. See, अब देखो, A and B are partners. They admitted C for 1/4 share. In future ratio A is to B is 2 is to 1. ये देखो, A is to B was having what? Some different ratio only. What they were having we don't know. Clear? And C is admitted for how much? 1 out of 4 parts. Clear? So now let us understand. See, और कितने पार्ट्स बच गए यहाँ? 3 पार्ट बचे. That is shared in what ratio? 2:1. एंड D का कितना है? 1 है. पूरा मिला दो. What is the ratio? 2:1:1. Got it? वाटरमेलन खाना आ गया तो रेशियो आ जाता. घर में बांटे ही नहीं शायद, डायरेक्ट एक पूरा वाटरमेलन दे देते शायद. We used to fight for pieces. That is the reason we know ratios. इसको बड़ा पीस, उसको छोटा पीस बोल के. We have learned calculation over there. अब देखो माँ, A and B are partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted C for 1/5 share in the profit. C acquires 1/5 from his share from A and 4/5 share from अच्छी तरह से पढ़ो. 1/5 of his share and from A and 4/5 share from B. C. Nothing like that. अब देखो उसका क्या है रेशियो? 1/5. 1/5. 1/5 का 1/5 of his share. 1/5 into 1/5 which is nothing but 1/25. वो उसको कहाँ से आया? एंड 4/5 शेयर फ्रॉम B. So same 1/5 into 4/5 which is 4/25. ये दोनों मिलाए तो कितना आता? 5/25. Clear? Now A's share is how much? 3/5 minus 1/25. So into 5 into 5 which is 15 minus 1 divided by what? 25 which is 14/25. Now B का क्या है? 2/5 minus 4/25 into 5 into 5. 10 minus 4 divided by what? 25 which is 6/25. And C का कितना है? C got 1/5. So into 5 into 5 which is 5/25. So 14:6:5. Got it? Clear ma? Any doubts? We have finished this one also. 1/5 only now. See, 1/5 into 5/5 कर. अब देखो माँ, फोर्थ देखो 9th में फोर्थ पार्टी इज गिवन एज व्हाट? A, B, C आर पार्टनर्स इन द रेशियो 1/2 1/3 तो क्या करना है इसको? 2 मल्टीप्लाई करो, इसको 3 मल्टीप्लाई करो, 3:2:1 हो जाता. दिस इज ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. नाउ D joins the firm as a new partner for how much share? D is admitted for 1/6 share. C would retain his original share. C would retain his original share means what? Who are left? A and B. A and B are going to sacrifice. In what ratio? 3:2. Clear? अब देखो. Now this is the watermelon. Clear? D को कितना आएगा? 1/6. C को कितना आएगा? 1/6. बचा कितना है? 4/6. That will be shared among whom? 3:2. कितना होता वो? 4/6 into 3/5. ये हो जाता 12/30. और इसका कितना है? 4/6 into 2/5 which is 8/30. and 1/6 को into 5 into 5/30. 1/6 into 5/5 which is 5/30. So 12:8:5:5. This is also the case we have done. Here गॉट इट माँ? 12:8:5:5। अब देखो टोटल वाटरमेलन में 1/6 बिलोंग्स टू डी, वो मालूम है। 1/6 बिलोंग्स टू व्हाट? सी। बचा कितना है? 4/6। क्लियर? टोटल 6 पार्ट्स, 1 बिलोंग टू दैट फेलो, 1 बिलोंग टू दिस फेलो, so 4 are left. 4 will be shared in what ratio? 3:2. Clear? Did not understand means again we can do. Clear? Record this, write down this. Okay, Seema, let us focus on the next one. A and B are equal partners. Now, fifth one tells that what? A is to B are in what ratio? 1:1. Why? Because they are what? Equal partners. Now, they admitted C and D. C और D दोनों को लाए. In what ratio? 1/5 and 1/6 share respectively. C and D as partner. C को कितना मिल रहा है? 1/5. D को कितना मिल रहा है? 1/6. What is the new ratio in this case? Now same way, this is the watermelon. D को कितना आ रहा? C को कितना आ रहा? बचा कितना रहता? 1 minus 1/5 minus 1/6. 6 and 5 LCM you can take as what? 30. तो ये 30 हो जाता. ये 5 into 6 into 6 into 5 into 5, which is -6 minus 5. So 30 minus 11 divided by what? 30, which is 19/30. Now what do you mean by 19/30? Remaining. Clear? Remaining कितना है? 19/30. That should be shared in what ratio? अब 1:1 में डाल देना उनको. Clear? So 19/30 into 1/2, which is 19/60. 19/30 into 1/2, which is 19/60. इसका कितना है? 1/5 into 6/6, which is 6/60. Next है 1/6 into, sorry 12 होता ना. What happened ना? 12. So 12/60, 1/6, 10. ये कितना होता है? 10/60. So finally the ratio is what? 19:12:10. ये बन जाता है रेशियो. Any doubts? Got it? Clear? Did not understand. A, B, C, D. A is to B, A and B are sharing the ratio 1:1, and C and D are admitted for 1/5 and 1/6 share. Clear? Off from कुछ भी नहीं दिया था ऐसा कर सकते. Clear? Understood? Did not understand? Basic calculations है ये छोटे बच्चों का. देखो, write down.
The phone 250 is now connected.
डन हो गया. नेक्स्ट देखो माँ, 6th पार्ट. सी द 6th क्वेश्चन. अब देखो 6th वाला क्या है, ए एंड बी आर पार्टनर शेयरिंग द प्रॉफिट्स इन द रेशियो 5:, A is to B is 5:3. C is admitted for what? 3/10th share of profit, half of which was gifted by A, and the remaining share was taken by C equally from A and B. C is admitted for 3/10th of share of profit, half of which was gifted by A, and the remaining share was taken by C equally from A and B. Nice. Half of which 3/10 का क्या होता? 3/20. 5/8 minus 3/20. Share was taken over by C equally from A and B. ये देखो अच्छी तरह से. फर्स्ट 3/10. 3/10 का हाफ कितना होता? 3/10/2. Remaining 3/10/2. Clear? Half. So it is going to become what? 3/20 and 3/20. Now this 3/20 A has gifted. Any doubts? Now remaining 3/20, how did he get? Equally. Means what? 3/40, 3/40. Clear? This A has given and this B has given. Now A के पास पहले कितना था? 5/8. उसमें से how much he had given? 3/20. And he also given what? 3/40. B has given what? 3/8 minus 3/40. So into 5 into 5. Clear? इसको into 2 into 2. This is into 5 into 5, which is 25 minus 6 minus 3 divided by 40. This is 15 minus 3 divided by what? 40. C got how much? 3/10. Clear? तो पहले एक बार ये कर लेंगे. 25 minus 6 minus 3 कितना होता? 16/40. और ये कितना होता? 12/40. 4 4s are 4 10s are 4 3s are 4 10s are. So what is the ratio? 4:3:3. This is new ratio. अच्छी तरह से देखो. Clear? If you read this sentence properly, no, 3/10th था new partner share. He got half from what? A. 3/10th का आधा A से आया. Remaining आधा किससे आया? उसके लिए फिर से कंडीशन दी है कि आधा आधा A and B दिए. फर्स्ट हाफ इज गिवन बाय A. नेक्स्ट जो बचता उसमें भी हाफ A दिया. क्लियर? रीड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. गॉट इट? A has given this much ma. 5/8 था उसमें से so and so 4:3:3. Did not understand? Done ma with this? Next देखो 10th question. Mahi and Rajat were in partnership sharing profits and losses in the ratio 4:3. M and R are sharing in the ratio what? 4:3. Now they admitted Kripa as a new partner. Kripa as a new partner. Kripa bought what? 60,000 as her share of goodwill premium, which was entirely credited to Mahi's capital account on the date of admission. Goodwill of the firm was valued at 4,20,000. Now calculate the new profit sharing ratio of Mahi, Rajat and Krupa. Clear? See, this kind of questions are very very important. यहाँ से ही आपका knowledge बढ़ता है. Clear? Let us understand. What is the old ratio given? 4:3. Now Kripa as a new partner bought how much? Goodwill. She has bought what? 60,000. And firm का goodwill कितना है? firm value of goodwill is 4,20,000. Now calculate the new profit sharing ratio they are telling ma. Very simple logic. Kripa will bring how much goodwill? हर शेयर, उसको शेयर कितना आया तो उतना गुडविल आएगा. क्लियर? सो वो गुडविल कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे हम? फर्म वैल्यू इनटू हर शेयर. क्लियर? समझ में आया? हमें शेयर चाहिए बोले तो क्या, फर्म का गुडविल नीचे भेज दिए समझो. तो 60,000 इज इक्वल टू 4,20,000 इंटू एक्स. एक्स इज हर शेयर. 420 इधर भेज दो. 60,000 divided by 4,20,000 will give you what? X. So 1 by 7. So 1 by 7 is equal to X. Now what is X? Got it? 1 by 7th. 1 by 7th of share. Now what is the new profit sharing ratio of Mahi, Rajat and Kripa? पहले कितना था उसका? 4 by 7. Same. अभी फर्स्ट केस पूरा वाटरमेलन कितना है? 1. She got how much? 1 by 7. अरे नहीं नहीं. It is given that what? Which was entirely credited to whom? Mahi. Mahi's capital account. Means what? The goodwill is given only by whom? Means the sacrificing part is done only by whom? Mahi. Mahi का शेयर कितना था? 4 by 7 minus 1 by 7 which is 3 by 7. Clear? R will be same like that only, 3 by 7. And Kripa, she got 1 by 7. So 3:1. This is the new ratio. Any doubts ma? Clear? Got it? Did not understand? Seema, let us do the next question. 11th वाला देखो. Rakesh, Suresh are partners sharing the profits in the ratio 4:3. Rakesh and Suresh, they are having 4:3. Now Zahir joins and new ratio among Rakesh and Suresh and Zahir is given as 7:4:3. Find out the sacrificing ratio. Now old ratio you know 4:3 and new ratio also you know that what? R S Z का कितना है? 7:4:3. Now sacrificing ratio we know. Sacrificing ratio formula is what? Old ratio minus new ratio. So R का शेयर कितना होता? 4 by 7 minus 7 by 14 which is यहाँ भी दो मल्टीप्लाई कर लो. 8 minus 7 divided by what? 14 which is 1 by 14. And S का शेयर कितना है? 3 by 7 minus 4 by 14 into 2 into 2 which is 6 minus 4 divided by 14 which is 2 by 14. Now Z का कितना है? 3 by नहीं ची sacrificing 1:2 ma. That's it. Sacrificing ratio is equal to what? 1:2. Got it? Did not understand? ये हो गया आपका 11th वाला. Next. Seema, next question. Kareem and Rehman are partners sharing the ratio 3:2. Now he is admitted as a partner and new profit sharing ratio is given. Sacrificing ratio. आप ही calculate करो fast. हाँ? 7:3. Idiot fellow. Don't see the answer. Do calculation. See 13th वाला basic ही है. Now ABC profit sharing ratio is 4:3 and D is admitted for 1/3 share in future profits. What is the sacrificing ratio? If nothing is given, old ratio is only sacrificing ratio 4:3:2. खत्म. Next क्या है? 14th one. Gautam and Yashika are the partners sharing the profits and losses in the ratio 3:2. They admitted Asma into partnership. Gautam gives 1/3 ऑफ बोले तो क्या, मल्टीप्लीकेशन. यशिका गिव्स 1/10 फ्रॉम हिज शेयर. फ्रॉम बोले तो क्या, माइनस. एंड कैलकुलेट द न्यू प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. नाउ Gautam's share is how much, ma? 3 parts. And Yashika's share is how much? 2 parts. They admitted Asma into partnership. Gautam gives 1/3 of his share, which is nothing but 3/5 into 1/3, which is 3/15, which is 2/5 into 2/5 into नहीं करना, 1/10 from his share. तो डायरेक्टली क्या करना, माइनस कर सकते हैं. सो 3/15 इज सैक्रिफाइसिंग पार्ट एंड 1/10. हम न्यू रेशियो के लिए क्या करेंगे, 3/5 माइनस 3/15. सो इंटू 3 इंटू 3. सो 9 माइनस 3 डिवाइड बाई 15 विच इज 6/15. ए का ये होता. बी का कितना है, 2/5 माइनस 1/10 इंटू 2 इंटू 2. 2/5 हाँ 2/5 माइनस 1/10 which is 4 minus 1 divided by 10 which is 3/10. Now C का रेशियो कितना है, C got 3/15 and 1/10. दोनों ऐड कर दो, C का आ जाता. बट 10 and 15 का एलसीएम क्या रहता, इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3. 6 plus 3 डिवाइड बाई व्हाट, 30. 9/30. एक रेशियो में वैसा नहीं रहना ना, डिनोमिनेटर यूनिफॉर्म बना दो. इंटू 2 इंटू 2 विच इज 12/30. यहाँ क्या, इंटू 3 विच इज 9/30. सो व्हाट इज द रेशियो, 12:9:9. दिस इज द न्यू रेशियो. क्लियर, 12:9:9 विच इज 4:3:3. एंड दे आर आस्क्ड इवन व्हाट, सैक्रिफाइसिंग रेशियो. एक एक कितना दिया देखो, 3/15 एक दिया, 1/10. 3/15 इज टू 1/10. यूनिफॉर्म करना बोले तो क्या, इंटू 2 इंटू 2 इंटू 3 इंटू 3 विच इज 6:3 विच इज 2:1 is the sacrificing ratio. Here sacrificing ratio के लिए आगे need not calculate anything, old minus new. यहाँ कितना कितना दिए वही माइनस कर रहे ना हम. Clear, that is sacrificing ratio. We have done till 12. 14 हो गया ना ये, 14. Clear, got it ma, did not understand. Next देखो 15th question. A, B, C are partners sharing profits in the ratio 2:2:1. D is admitted as a new partner for 1/6 share. 2:2:1. Perfect. D is admitted for 1/6 share, and C will retain his original share. Calculate the profit sharing ratio and sacrificing ratio. C will retain means what? He is telling that don't touch my watermelon. Clear? Next, अब देखो टोटल वाटरमेलन इज 1. उसमें से D का पार्ट कितना है, 1/6. C का पार्ट कितना है, 1/5. तो रिमेनिंग पार्ट इज हाउ मच, 1 माइनस 1/5 माइनस 1/6. 30 ले लो एलसीएम. तो ये कितना बनता, 30 माइनस 6 माइनस 5, 19/30. ये करे रे, 19/30. नाउ सिंपल मा, 2/5 नहीं, व्हाट इज द रेशियो, 2:2. 19/30 should be distributed equally, which is nothing but 19/60. 19/60 इसमें से निकाल दो वो, हाँ यही है 19/60. सो व्हाट इज द न्यू रेशियो, 19/60 19/60 एंड दिस फेलो 1/5 एंड दिस फेलो 1/6. मल्टीप्लाई कर दो, इंटू 6 इंटू 6 इंटू 5 इंटू 5 विच इज 6/30 विच इज 5/30. अच्छा 6 रे, इंटू 10 10. हाँ यस, 1/5 इंटू 12 इंटू 12, 12/60. 1/6 इंटू 10 10, 10/60. So what is the new ratio, 19:12:10. हाँ